Rock-solid erections in minutes with this natural drink. Eye-catching visuals of a confident man and a natural drink being poured into a glass. Fellas, let's be real. Every man wants to perform at his best when it matters most. But stress, poor diet, and lifestyle choices can sabotage your game. What if I told you there's a 100% natural drink that can help you achieve rock-solid erections in just minutes? No gimmicks, no shady pills, just science-backed ingredients that work fast. Stay with me because I'm about to reveal the secret drink, explain why it works, and show you how to make it at home. Let's go. Why erections fail. Before we get to the drink, let's quickly talk about the common reasons why men struggle with weak or inconsistent erections. Poor blood flow. Erections rely on proper circulation. If your arteries are clogged, your performance suffers. Low nitric oxide levels. This molecule relaxes blood vessels, allowing for maximum blood flow. Stress and anxiety. A stressed mind equals a stressed body, which can kill your erection fast. Low testosterone, the king of male hormones, and if it's low, so is your performance. Poor hydration and nutrient deficiency. Your body needs the right fuel to function optimally. Don't worry, this drink is designed to fix all of that naturally. The Natural Erection Boosting Drink. Now, let's talk about the drink, a potent blend of nature's best ingredients to get your blood pumping and your confidence soaring. Ingredients: beetroot juice, super rich in nitrates that increase nitric oxide levels and improve circulation. Watermelon juice contains citrulline, an amino acid that boosts blood flow and mimics the effects of Viagra naturally. Ginger, a natural testosterone booster that also enhances circulation. Honey provides quick, natural energy and supports hormonal balance. Lemon juice detoxifies and helps your body absorb nutrients better. A pinch of cayenne pepper. This powerful spice increases blood flow almost instantly. How to make it. Making this drink is easy. Here's what you do. Take 1 cup of beetroot juice and 1 cup of watermelon juice, freshly blended for best results. Add 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 teaspoon of honey. Squeeze in half a lemon for extra health benefits. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper, but don't overdo it. Mix it well and drink it 30 minutes before action. Why this works. Here's the science behind why this drink works so fast. Beetroot and watermelon boost nitric oxide, expanding blood vessels for maximum blood flow. Ginger and cayenne pepper stimulate circulation almost immediately. Honey and lemon provide a quick energy boost and support hormone health. This combination ensures you're at peak performance whenever you need it. Want even better results? Follow these tips. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause fatigue and poor blood flow. Exercise regularly. A quick 10-minute workout before intimacy naturally boosts testosterone. Avoid processed foods. Junk food clogs arteries and kills your libido. Reduce stress. Meditation and deep breathing can make a huge difference. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep, low testosterone, poor performance. Now, it's your turn. Try this drink and let me know in the comments how it works for you. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more game-changing health tips. Stay confident, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.